Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry there's been a long time on the YouTube. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks, but look at all the progress we have made. These are our front gates. Our 2 gates here. There we go. Then we've got our small street gate here. As you can see there. So everything's pretty much assembled. A couple of little things that need to be done, and then they're just going to be prepped and ready for painting and staining, and then we can start throwing them in. Yeah, I just haven't done much videoing because it's been very repetitive stuff, apart from obviously the change here where I've done this angle and things and made it look kind of pretty. So yeah, sorry if I haven't done any videos for a while, but that's where I'm at. And yeah, once I'm done, I'll put a bit of a project video together and yeah, show the destruction of the fence out the front and actually it going in and getting put together. But yeah, I just didn't want to bore you with repetitive fence building that you've seen for the last couple of weeks. Alright guys, sweet. This is what the shop looks like after all of this time. Heaps of timber, got my posts there ready to go. They just got to be cut up into length. Got all my bits and pieces lying around. That's why you build benches first, so that you can put lots of crap on top of them. Sweet. Alright, Omni out.